Hey guys, what's up? It's me, the-kyle-chronicles, and it has been a while since I've posted a video, because my coworker is currently on vacation, so I've been working her hours, which means I've been really tired. But I am finally back, obviously, and I'm back with a unboxing slash review, which is something I haven't done since maybe last year before, when I was regularly getting a Doki Doki subscription box. This is not what that is, obviously. If you didn't read the title, I'm going to be unboxing the subscription box that you're able to get from the Underwear Expert. The reason I decided to try this box out is because another YouTuber named Jamie Dodger, I believe is how you pronounce his name. I'll link his video in the description, obviously, but he did a review on it because he's a trans guy who recently had lower surgery, and so, you know, he wanted to try out some new underwear because his preferences have changed, and the underwear he got in the video actually looked really nice, so I checked out the website, and with his code, I got 50% off my first box, so I figured I might as well get the biggest box you can, which is 3 pairs. And yeah, I just went for it. The site itself is super easy to use, and I really like that you can kind of customize, like you basically answer a style quiz, and then they can either surprise send you however many pairs you choose, which is 1, 2, or 3, or you can pick yourself from the selected few that I picked for you type thing. I didn't want to get surprised because it's my first time using the box. I don't know, like, how accurate it is with styles and everything, but yeah, this is what the box looks like. It's just plain and black back. On the back has all my information, so I'm not gonna show you guys that. Got some cat hair on it already, so it's going good. It was harder than I expected it to be. Alright, so that's what it looks like when you first open it. Pretty simple. Has a little card. It just says, "Welcome to the Underwear Expert Club. You're going to love your new undies. Regards, Michael, CEO of the Underwear Expert, Inc." And then it has questions or comments and a little email that you can contact them on. And then it links their Snapchat and Instagram. So, that's that. You undo the wrapping paper, and you're met with your underwear. There's a little "Friends don't let friends wear bad underwear." So, you refer a friend, and you get $10, I'm assuming either towards your next box, or like off your next box, or something like that. And then there are the packages of underwear, which I guess are each packaged differently, depending on, like, the brand you got and everything. And then at the bottom is your packing slip, so it has everything that you got. And then it has a question thing, so like if you didn't get the right thing or whatever. And it tells you your total and everything. So, yeah. Might as well hop right into it. So the first one I got is a Park and Ronin pair, which is very obviously yellow. It's a solid low-rise trunk, and I'll take it out of the packaging to show you guys. Ooh, they're like really soft, so that is what they look like. I'm gonna try them all on after, just to show you guys like what they look like. And this is a size large, because the way their sizing works is you tell them your waist measurement, and then they send you an underwear from each brand that correlates to that. So that's that first pair. Just gonna put that to the side for now. Second pair came in this little box. It says "Wood is good." I'm assuming, yeah, the brand is Wood, so that would be why. Oh, there's a little thing. "As you slide down the banister of life, may the splinters never point the wrong way." And then it says, get wood, no splinters. So they're just really going for this, you know, brand name. Has the tag in them, and that is what these ones look like. Which is nice, because I do need more just regular old black underwear. The tag says the same thing that the little thing in the box said, and apparently Wood Underwear sells underwear, shirts, and loungewear for men. So that's cool. This is also CO2 neutral softness technology. So, no idea what that means, but these are also really nice. They feel, you know, nice. Yeah. Again, I will try these on and show you guys what they look like. And my last pair is from the brand CO2 Arrows. I'm not really sure how to pronounce the name, that's just kind of what it looks like. It is empowering men to live actively in style. Our focus is on the form-fitting style and premium quality so that each piece is designed to accentuate and celebrate your body. Cool, and apparently this is an exclusive collection to the website The Undwear Expert. So, that is what, well that's the back of them, that's what that looks like, and then that's the front of them. Let's see, what do the tags say? Supports without being restrictive, reduces chafing, which I don't really have to worry about because I don't have a penis, and shapes and lifts, naturally contours everything, which again, don't have a penis, so don't really need to worry about that. But I really like the colors in it, and the only thing is, the picture doesn't really show how evident the pouch is going to be with this one, so I probably would have chosen a different pair had I known that. But they feel almost like swim shorts, and they look like they might be a little see-through, so I might have to wear another pair of underwear under this when I show you guys what they look like. But, I mean, I'm pretty excited with them. I'm gonna try them on, and then I'll come back with, like, my final review of what I think about it. So, my least favorite pair of the three, now that I've tried them on and you've seen what they look like, would be this one. Not that they're bad, just for someone without a dick. It leaves a lot of extra room in the front, which is fine, like they're still comfortable. They don't feel as swimsuit material-y when you have them on, which is nice. But yeah, if you're a trans guy who doesn't pack, maybe steer clear of this pair, or maybe this brand. I don't know if they're all like that. But, I mean, it's not a big deal. Comfy underwear, I'm still gonna wear them. The other two are tied for my favorite. The only thing I have against the yellow one, super comfortable, not a whole bunch of extra, you know, dick room, which is nice, but they have the lines on the butt, which I'm sure you saw, and that's not something I'm used to in underwear, so it felt a little weird. Still comfortable, like they're super soft and whatever, but just if you guys aren't used to lines on your butt, fair warning. And then I really have no complaints about these ones. They're longer ones, because I think on the site I chose, I can't remember which two styles, but one was longer than the other, and I wasn't sure, like, how much length would be the difference, but I do prefer this length of them. The extra, you know, dick room doesn't really bother me as much on this pair, and, yeah, overall, I'd say that although the box is kind of expensive, it is worth it if you aren't really sure what kind of underwear you want to try out, and if you don't necessarily have any, like, brand name stores near you. I don't know if I'm gonna renew my subscription. I chose a 3-month, like, every 3 months is when it'll renew, so it'll be around October by the time I get another package, if I choose to get another package. And if I do, obviously, I will show it to you guys. But, yeah, for like a first-time box, never received underwear subscription boxes before. It's pretty good. I'm pretty pleased with the ones I chose. I do wish that the pictures on their site, I don't know, maybe like took like a side view angle so you could see how much pouch is in the underwear, if that makes sense. And I mean, that might just be me because I don't have a dick. I don't know if dick people want that view as well, but it'd be nice. But besides that, yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the little show you got. And I will see you next time. Bye.